Okay. All right. So, Mr. Hernandez Solomon, I wanted to make sure you understood what we were discussing. So your case is going to be called back for jury trial on October 20th, 2026. The state has informed me that they have everything uploaded. Your attorney will be able to confer with them up until October 2026. And that's going to be your jury trial date and your plea deadline date. If there are any issues that your counsel wants to address with the court before that date, he can come in before that date. Do you understand?
Okay, yes.
All right. And the reason why your date is October 20th is because even though this is the first time that this case is on the docket in this court, this is an old case.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Thank you. Do you need me to sign anything?
No, I got it this morning.
All right. Thank you.
Judge.
Thank you, Sean.
All right. I honestly don't know why you're on the docket today because you're actually set for jury trial on August 17th.
It's 13.
No, you're set on the August 17th for jury trial.
We had a court date today for whatever reason, but we're gonna come back on the 7th.
Norma, give him a reset form for jury trial August 17th, please. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Your
You're welcome. Court is calling 2026 CR 001952, State versus Albert Joe Dominguez Jr. Can I have parties announced?
Brendan Prater for the state.
Brandon Jeffrey Martinez for defense.
And are you Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor. I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Dominguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right, Mr. Dominguez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. It's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dominguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. This run concurrent with 2025 CC 008316. State is taking in consideration 2026 PF 28857. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense, is that the plea?
It
Yes,
is,
Your
Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Judge, you have state exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
Your Honor, defense is no objection.
All right, did you review the waiver? State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, just ask that you do approve and accept the agreement from the state.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This run concurrent with 2025 CC 008-316. Take in consideration 2026 PF 28857, and there's to be. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. This is the law, regardless of what somebody has told you. Doesn't matter if you have drugs on you and they're for personal use. You still can be arrested. Understand? Because it's illegal. All right? You're going to have to make better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison, or somebody's going to end up identifying your body. You understand? All right. When you're released, you need to go to a sober support living home. You need to go and get help with your drug addiction. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
All right. This is your attorney who's recently been appointed to you. So I'm going to give you a reset so that he can make sure that he has all the discovery. Okay. All right. So Norma, I need a reset date, 30 days for discovery. All right. We'll bring you back on September 14th.
Or you don't, I'm sorry, I got my date. The 14th is good.
All right. So we'll have you back on September 14th. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you will be I'm sorry, you don't need a reset form, but counsel, you're excused.
Thank you.